Chapter 12. Air and Water. Stepping up. What is air? Properties of air. What does air contain? Fresh air, water, 3 forms of water, water cycle, conservation of water, air and water pollution. Children, please read this poem, then I will explain about the importance of air and water in our life. The wind. And all around I heard you pass, like ladies' skirts across the grass. O wind, a blowing all day long, O the wind that sings so loud a song. I saw the different things you did, but always you, yourself hid. I felt your push, I heard your call, I could not see yourself at all. O wind, a blowing all day long, O the wind that sings so loud a song. O you that are so strong and cold, O blower, are you young or old? Are you a beast of field and tree, or just a stronger child than me? O wind, a blowing all day long, O the wind that sings so loud a song. R. L. Stevenson. Air. Try blowing air into a balloon. You will be able to see the balloon growing in size, but you will not be able to see the air inside. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can only feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Look at the following picture. It shows some of the things moving air can do. Observe it carefully and fill in the blanks. 1. Moving air can move objects such as rocks, paper, leaves, house. 2. Weaken a flower because of moving air. Touch, smell. 3. Moving air helps move sailboats, trains. 4. Moving air helps clothes faster dry, wet. Properties of air. Take 2 empty balloons. Blow air into one. Now compare the two. Are they of the same size? What has changed the shape of the balloon? The air filled into the balloon changed its shape and size. Air has 3 main properties. Air occupies space. Air gives shape. Air has no color, taste, or smell. What does air contain? Air is made up of many gases. It also contains many other things like water vapor, smoke, dust, and germs. You might have seen smoke coming out of vehicles and factories. This smoke mixes with the air. Wind causes dust to blow. This dust also mixes with air. Air also contains germs. Smoke, dust, and germs make the air dirty. Dirty air is called polluted air. When we breathe in this polluted air, we fall sick. Fresh air. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. Breathing clean, fresh air keeps us healthy. What makes the air clean? Plants around us keep the air clean. We should plant more and more trees. Water. Water is one of the nature's most precious gifts to living beings. It is impossible to live on Earth without water. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, but only 1% of it is for drinking. Water is one of the most essential elements for living beings. All living beings need water to stay alive. Human beings need water for several purposes like irrigation, bathing, cooking food, washing clothes and utensils, etc. 3 forms of water. Water is found in 3 forms: as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. 1. Solid. Water can also take another form. It can become solid. When water freezes to become ice, water changes from liquid to solid form. A solid is something that has a definite shape. It is something we can hold. A frozen lake, ice cube, snowball. 2. Liquid. Water is most commonly used in liquid form. The water we drink is a liquid. A liquid is something that can flow. A liquid has no shape of its own. It just takes the shape of the container it is in. Water, liquid, takes the shape of the container. Rain falls as liquid water. the water in a warm ocean is liquid. 3. Gas. Water can take a third form, too. It can become a gas. When water is heated, it changes from a liquid into a gas called water vapor. Just like with other gases, you cannot see water vapor. It mixes with air. It has no shape. Water from wet clothes changes into water vapor and mixes with the air. Steam is hot water vapor. Just when the teacher wanted to tell children about the water cycle, Kirti recited a poem on the water cycle. The water cycle. When I was young, I used to think that water came from the kitchen sink. But now I'm older, and I know that water comes from rain and snow. It stays there, waiting in the sky in clouds above our world so high. And when it falls, it flows along and splashes out a watery song as each raindrop is joined by more and rushes to the ocean shore or to a lake, a brook, a stream, from which it rises, just like stem. But while it's down here, what do you think? Some does go to the kitchen sink. Water cycle. Water cycle is the way the earth uses and recycles water. It is controlled by the heat of the sun. This heat causes the water in the oceans, lakes, rivers and even puddles in your backyard to warm up and evaporate. When plants give out water vapor, it is called transpiration. When water evaporates, it rises into air and forms clouds. There, the water vapor condenses into liquid water. As more and more water vapor cools into the clouds, the water droplets that form the clouds become heavier and heavier. These droplets get so heavy that the air in the atmosphere can no longer hold them up in the sky. Now, these droplets fall down from the sky as rain. Rainwater collects in seas, rivers and ponds. Activity. You can make your own water cycle. 1. Place a small container in the middle of the ball. 2. Fill the ball with a little water, being careful not to fill the small container inside. 3. Cover the ball with plastic wrap and fasten the plastic wrap around the rim of ball with a rubber band or string. 4. Put a weight on top of the plastic wrap in the center. Now put your setup on a windowsill or some other place where the sun rays fall on. How long does it take for water to evaporate and condense on the plastic wrap? Where does the water go after it condenses on the plastic wrap? The heat of the sun evaporates the water, which rises, condenses on the cool plastic, and falls into the small container. You have created a small replica of the water cycle. Conservation of water. Just imagine a day without water. What are the things you will not be able to do? We need to conserve water because life will not be possible without water. What can you do to conserve water? Use only as much water as you require. Close the tap well after use. While brushing your teeth, do not leave the tap running, open it only when you require it. See that there are no leaking taps. Call a plumber and get them fixed. Use a washing machine that does not consume too much water to wash clothes. Use a bucket and a mug to have a bath instead of a shower. Water in which the vegetables and fruits have been washed can be used to water the potted plants. At the end of the day, if you have water left in your water bottle, do not throw it away but pour it over some plants. Fun time. Smiley is storing the drops of water coming out from the tap. Help the drop find its way to Smiley. Air and water pollution. To pollute means to add things that are harmful. Polluted air is air that has harmful things like dust, smoke and germs. The air in most cities and towns is polluted air. This is because of the harmful gases which are given off by vehicles and factories. Polluted water is just as dangerous as polluted air. Water gets polluted because of things like household garbage or poisonous factory wastes that are thrown into rivers, lakes or seas. Pollution harms all living things, humans, plants and animals. Polluted air and polluted water cause many diseases and deaths every year. All pollution is caused by humans. We must all take care not to do things which cause pollution. Let us say it again. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Air contains dust particles, germs, water vapor, and gases. Human beings need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, etc. Water can be seen in three forms: as a solid, liquid, or gas. Water evaporates to form water vapor. Water vapor condenses to form water. Clouds and rain are formed because of the evaporation and condensation of water. It is important to conserve water. Polluted air and water are very dangerous for all living things. Exercise. A. Take the correct option. 1 is all around us but we cannot see it. A. Water. B. Plants. C. Air. 2 around us make the air clean. A. Animals. B. Plants. C. Humans. 3. Air is made up of many. A. Germs. B. Trees. C. Gases. 4. Water is found in forms. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Moving air is called. 2. Air has main properties. 3. Air is made up of many. 4. Collects in seas, rivers and ponds. 5. It is important to water. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. We can only feel air when it moves. 2. Air contains dust particles, germs, water vapor and gases. 3. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. 4. The water cycle helps in changing water from one form to the other. 5. All pollution is caused by plants and animals. D. Answer these questions. 1. Name 3 things that moving air can do. 2. What does air contain? 3. Name the 3 states of water. 4. How is water useful for living beings? 5. Explain the water cycle. Hot's questions. 1. Kirti kept a bottle of water from the refrigerator on the table. After a while, she saw drops of water on it. Was the bottle leaking? Explain. 2. Dad put the clothes on the clothesline outside for drying. But in a hurry, he forgot to put the cloth clips. When mom came out to collect them, she found them lying on the ground. 1. What do you think happened? 2. What kind of day was it? Activity. 1. Paint clouds and rain. Draw an outline of a cloud on chart paper. Cut it out and glue cotton over it. Paste the cloud on blue chart paper. Dip your finger in dark blue paint and press it on the paper to make raindrops under the cloud. Cut out colored shining paper to make lightning and paste it on the picture. 2. Visit the meteorological office. A meteorological office records the weather of a place. Visit the one in your town and find out how they maintain the weather record. 3. Make ice of different shapes and colors. Take katoris of different shapes. Make 3 drinks of different colors using orange squash, khas sharbat and ruh afza. Remember to use clean drinking water. Fill in the differently shaped vessels with the colored drink. Keep them in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy your ice lollies. Life skills. Save water. Which one would you choose to do? Put a tick in the right boxes. Teachers' tips. Ask children to relate their experiences of seeing snow, hail, clouds, rain, etc. Open a flask of very hot water in the class. Let the steam touch a cold plate. Discuss about what the children see and why. Guide them to make the water cycle on the bulletin board with cutouts. When the season changes, your clothes and food too change. Make the children relate their experiences.